All right. Been having a little bit of an issue with the cameras and stuff, but I've been slacking on a little bit of the videos. Had a lot of projects going on. In this video, we were messing around. Jordan decided he was going to start tearing down his hemi. It's probably going to go in his 300C. It had a spanked cam in it, misfire on cylinder 3, so they said. But I have a feeling it had a bad head gasket with how clean that piston is. Yeah, so he's going to start tearing that down. Well, he's already got it mostly tore down, but he's got to get the harmonic balancer off and get the camshaft out, and then we'll probably put another cam in it. You know what you're doing over there? No. Just tearing a hemi down.
Hey, the rotary, right? That's what rotaries look like?
No, that's a rotary. That's a rotary. That's a rotary. That's a rotary. One of these things is not like the other.
It's like when you go to LS class with a rotary, you just don't match it.
Yeah. So we're trying to talk him into putting a cam in it and putting it in his 300C so he can make more power with the 300C before his head gasket leaves him stranded on the side of the road. And then build the other one and put it in the cornet. But he has that for the cornet now, so he can run that. Just had to wipe the cam in it. One clean piston. So I think this was... I wonder if it was a head gasket the entire time.
That's what I was thinking.
The cam was fine. But the lobes don't look bad. Be those two. They're not wiped like they would normally be when these decide to drop a lifter. And that's for the red car, rx8, 4-port, Bridgeport, Driftmobile.
Still gonna get my motor over.
We're being super lazy and watching him. Since we didn't be able to go pick up convertible today.
The whole point of coming over.
So.
At least Jordan's getting some motor work done.
Yeah, get some motor work done. It's not sitting outside in a pallet anymore. Blade has parted ways with the trash panda. It's not gone forever. His brother has purchased it from him. He's probably going to be turboing it with a turbo kit. He's got full intentions of that, but basically got a lot of work to do on it either way. Yeah, so probably get a turbo kit, piggyback, and I think he's going to put a rocket bunny on it, but we'll see where that goes anyways. So there will still be more on that. That's why we call it the Panda. Now you know. It's on. So we're going to roadkill this about 20 minutes down the road and then give it a bath because it needs it. So far, so good. If anything happens, I'll turn this back on because I don't have the GoPro and I'm holding this and trying to drive. So we'll see how far we make it. Be back in a minute. Well, we just passed a sheriff. Talk about butt puckering. I don't know, he went by us real slow, but we've been driving for about 5 minutes now, and he hasn't fucking turned around to come get us. But he is kind of hammering down now, so cleaned up pretty good, actually. Doesn't look as bad, nearly as bad. It's actually a shiny car. Other than a few little rust spots. The blade says Rocket Bunny before fall. So we'll see. But he's got to do some struts.
Yeah.
Coilovers badly. This side is the notorious tucked right in the wheel well with lots of camber. But
Camber gets legs.
yeah, it's alive. It made a 20-minute trip. Well, anyways, yeah, so we have the Project Reject. Worked on that a little bit. Haven't really done an update on that. So anyways, it's an 05. It's probably going to be a drift car now. And this is the motor for it. Still a 4-port. It is bridge ported. I did my own exhaust ports on it. Machined the front cover off so we can run electric water pump and side mount alternator. Because I mean, we're obviously going to be beating the hell out of this thing. So I'm going to be putting this all together pretty soon. I'll probably do another video on that and show you the porting and what we did on that. But that's that. And then Irv's car is getting this REW, and this is actually a full bridge port, so that's going to be coming up as well. That was the Miata motor, but the Miata is actually getting a yeah. Edit that, right? The Miata is actually now getting a rx8 motor. It's actually already in the car. We haven't done anything with videos on that, but been busy moving stuff around so we have a little more room and whatnot. So we have a lot more coming up. Got a first gen JDM car coming soon, and yeah, we'll have a lot on that because that's like a full restore. So we'll be back with some more videos here shortly, but we'll get back to this video for now. Yeah, this thing's almost all back together. Got a few little things to do. It's alive for the most part. We'll put a motor and transmission in it here shortly. Putting a 6-speed in it. It was an automatic car, but who the hell wants an automatic? And we got all the manual parts. So like I said, I got to get the pedals out of the other one, get them in this. The interior is almost 100% all back together. I got power to everything. You got to remember, this thing was stripped, gutted, and almost nothing left. But it's different colors. It's really not in that bad a shape for the most part. I get a little bit of quarter damage, but whatever. It is what it is. This car has been sitting in the back field for about 5 years, and it's almost back together in one day. But yeah, till next time.